how to increase RAM in your PC or laptop. So let's get started. So first, just head over to your search bar and click on about your PC, searching for that. And once you open it, you can see my device has 8 GB of RAM. So in your case, you can check that. And now simply click on this advanced system settings on the right section. Now select settings. So once inside it, select advanced, and you can see there is a virtual memory option. So just click on change to actually change your virtual memory. So simply deselect it from over here if you have enabled this. So click on custom size, and let me just show you an example. For 4 GB RAM, you have to enter the following for particular first row and second row. And if you have a 8 GB RAM, you can do that following for using your calculator, just like this. So let me just quickly show you for what I mean by example. So in my case, it's an 8 GB RAM. So if I were to upgrade the first row, that means I have to do multiplication just like this, as I have highlighted on my screen. So I'll just paste this over on the first row, so which is the initial MB. And for the maximum size, I will just have to multiply 8 into 1024 into 3 instead of 1.5. So as you can see on my screen, what I mean by that is this. So I'll simply head back to my calculator once again and do the calculation just like this, and simply click on next and just copy the numbers from over here to my maximum size just like this and click on OK. And once you do all of that, you can simply click on set and click on OK and just exit the following from over here. And after you restart your PC, the effect should take place. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.